Hey guys, it's your girl Jules and I'm back again with another video. So today all I'm going to be doing for this video is showing you how I clean my lip gloss tubes. But before I get into this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about my 1K giveaway. So for my 1K giveaway, I decided to do a collab giveaway, and I'm collaborating with 4 other businesses, and we're going to be giving away some really awesome gifts. So if you're watching this video, stop this video, pause this video. Don't stop the video, pause the video, boo-boo, and go to my Instagram at Polka Beauty Cosmetics. Follow my Instagram, find the 1K giveaway post, follow the rules so you can be chosen, boo-boo. Now let's get straight into this video. So to start the process, the first thing I do is wash my hands, of course. Gotta wash them hands, girl. I just make sure to get all up in there between the fingers, nails, everything. And then you need to dry them hands off. Now what I do is I just remove the tops from my tubes. So the next thing I do is prep the water for the tubes, and all I'm doing right here is checking the temperature of the water because I don't want it to be too hot, because I will be running my hands through this water to make sure the soap get in the tubes to sanitize them. Okay guys, so this part is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just going to add the tubes to the water. I changed angles because I didn't want to walk back and forth from the counter to the tub. And all you're going to see me doing here is moving everything around in the water so that everything gets disinfected, so the tubes get disinfected on the inside as well. So now after I let the tube sit in the water for about 20 minutes, I start to rinse them off. And I just do my best at getting all the soap off and getting the soap from inside of the tubes. So the last thing I do is dry them off. I lay them on this cloth, which I will be drying them off with as well. I really just dry off the outside, but the inside I let that air dry. The rest of this video is pretty much self-explanatory. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow me on Instagram at Polka Beauty Cosmetics. Bye guys.